Arterial diseases, and in particular, peripheral arterial occlusive disease, are one of the biggest cost factors in healthcare. The prevalence is high. The trend? Ascending. The intermittent vacuum therapy with the Vacumed procedure is in effect a non-invasive passive vascular training. A study shows it improves the walking distance by more than 80% compared to the standard walking distance training. Vacumed reduces pain during exertion, persistent pain, or cramps at night. The procedure is also indicated in restless leg syndrome. In cases of gangrene and critical ischemia, the Vacumed procedure leads to a rapid revascularization. The same applies to diabetic ulcerations. The Vacumed device is easy to use. It is self-servable and has automatic treatment programs for every severity of the disease. Vacumed applies alternating negative and positive pressure to the lower half of the body. The nomenclature is intermittent vacuum therapy, or IVT for short. These pressure changes dilate and compress the blood and lymphatic vessels in the human body. The induced shear forces stimulate endothelial and neuronal tissue. This optimizes the blood circulation and the oxygen supply and can be measured immediately. The shear forces lead to the formation of new capillaries and collaterals. Damaged tissue is revascularized. In addition, the release of nitric oxide is stimulated. Vacumed is used in all stages of PAD. The movement-induced pain is significantly reduced with just a few applications, and the patient's quality of life is increased. This also prevents possible long-term damage. Studies also show, in the case of critical ischemia or diabetic foot syndrome, thanks to Vacumed, visible and measurable granulation occurs very early on. Thus, amputations can be avoided. The Vacumed treatment was originally developed for manned space missions, where it avoids orthostatic complications that arise in the weightlessness of space due to an inadequate baroflex. Vacumed is internationally patented. It is a certified medical product and made in Germany. For more information, visit www.vacumed.net.